Ladies and gentlemen, this is something you don't see but maybe once in a lifetime in Florida. That's right, this is Florida, where I'm usually saying, hey, it's 98 degrees, put fans on everything because it's hot. Today we have an epic snowstorm. I'm taking the super Lasernut out. Oh, this is gonna be good. We got some lights. We can see where this thing is headed. Woo! This thing even has a gyro and it's all over the place. Whoa! Oh man. I really kind of thought this was going to do a little bit better. I gotta admit, it's going through the deep stuff. Okay. Not as nice as the, not as good as the Blitzkrieg per se, but it is. Oh, it's going through the deep stuff. And I do like the lights, so I think that's just adding something really, really nice here to be able to follow the car, though. For all of us. Oh man. This thing is, even with the gyro, is it is all over the place. Uh-oh. Oh no, we got stuck. I'll tell you what, this is an experience that I've never had before with RC stuff. This is some slick. The Blitzkrieg don't even have a gyro, and that thing was a little bit easier to. Woo! Uh-oh. I think it's getting loaded down with snow. Oh boy. Well, you know what? The problem I have with this thing is those Spectrum batteries. The only thing I can find to fit in this are these 5,000 milliamp Spectrum batteries. And yeah, they don't have the best runtime at all. And I think it just died on me. Oh. Yep. That's a LVC. Well, everyone, it was a quick run. I definitely need to figure out something. I know people said you could break the tray. I was really hoping maybe Tyson, I could work with Tyson and maybe 3D print something a little bit bigger. Maybe we can. I don't know. He doesn't have one of these, so it's kind of hard for him to make it, but I can mail him a battery tray maybe. I don't know. Or maybe I'd get my own 3D printer. Learn to do some of this crazy stuff myself. But guys, check it out. Snowpocalypse, or what were they calling it? The Gulf Apocalypse. I forget. Man, check out the transformer. Look at that freaking stalactite thing hanging down. If you could see it, boy, that thing will come down and ooh. Check it out though. There's a Lasernut and there's a car coming, so I gotta wrap it up. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed me out here freezing in my shorts to bring you this fun content in the snow. Appreciate the support. Links down below. Discounts, ways to help the channel, buy merchandise, donations, whatever you want to do. Appreciate it. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.